65 million years ago, Earth came within a hair's breadth of being a very different planet. A single asteroid, one collision, one moment that erased more than 70% of life on Earth. And yet modern physics tells us something unsettling. Reality does not always choose one outcome. Sometimes it branches. So today we are not asking a childish what if. We are asking a question grounded in the deepest theories of modern science. Are there parallel universes where dinosaurs never went extinct? Imagine this carefully. A universe almost identical to ours. Same stars, same Earth, same dinosaurs roaming ancient forests. The only difference is that the asteroid missed. Not by millions of kilometers. Not by cosmic luck. Just enough. In physics, this idea has a name: the many worlds interpretation. According to this interpretation of quantum mechanics, every time a probabilistic event occurs, reality splits. One outcome here, another outcome there. No collapse, no single timeline. Just branches. And the Chicxulub impact was not destiny. It was probability. In one branch, the asteroid hits. In another, it passes just far enough to spare the planet from catastrophe. And in that universe, the age of dinosaurs never ends. Most people imagine dinosaurs as evolutionary dead ends. Big, slow. That picture is outdated. Fossil evidence suggests something very different. Many dinosaurs were social is less than #0. 7 is greater than some, hunted in coordinated groups. Others cared for their young. And certain species had brains far larger than once believed, especially relative to their body size. One small predator in particular has intrigued scientists for decades. A dinosaur with keen senses, complex behavior, and unusually high brain-to-body ratios. If extinction had not intervened, evolution would not have stopped. It never does. Evolution is not a ladder. It is a branching tree. And intelligence is not a human invention. It is an evolutionary strategy. In our timeline, mammals inherited a devastated planet. In another timeline, they never got the chance. Dinosaurs continued adapting, refining, specializing. And given enough time, natural selection would have favored cognition, problem solving, tool use, communication. Not because intelligence is noble, but because it works. Now imagine this planet 10 million years after the near miss. Forests still dominated by towering reptiles. Oceans ruled by colossal marine predators. Skies filled with feathered descendants of ancient flyers. But something else is changing. Certain species begin to stand more upright. Freed forelimbs become manipulators. Eyes shift forward for depth perception. Brains grow slowly, generation after generation. Not suddenly, not magically, but inevitably. By the time mammals might have evolved opposable thumbs in our universe, these dinosaurs already had something else is less than shown. 1 is greater than scale, covered hands capable of grasping, claws refined into precision tools, feathers evolving not for flight but for display and communication, color patterns, gestures, visual language, an intelligence shaped by sight rather than sound, by motion rather than speech. And here is where the idea becomes truly uncomfortable. A species that never faced extinction might never develop the same fears we did. Fear shaped humanity. Fear of predators, fear of hunger, fear of annihilation. Those fears drove us to build weapons, walls, and empires. But apex predators do not evolve under constant fear. They evolve under dominance, which means their civilization would not resemble ours. Their cities would not scrape the sky. They would spread across land integrated into ecosystems rather than imposed upon them. Their technology would not rely on burning ancient life forms. They would likely develop biological engineering long before combustion engines. Living materials, self-repairing structures, architecture grown, not built. And their energy needs would be far lower than ours. Cold-blooded efficiency means less waste, less excess, less urgency to conquer. Would they have wars? Possibly. But not wars of extinction. Predatory species do not exterminate their own kind lightly. Doing so weakens the species. Conflict would exist, but annihilation would be rare. Their greatest advantage would not be strength. It would be patience is less than has shown. 3 hash is greater than. Now consider this. If parallel universes exist, and if advanced civilizations emerge within them, then technological development does not stop at steam engines or computers. It moves outward, toward observation, toward detection, toward understanding the structure of reality itself. And at some point, a civilization advanced enough might begin to notice something strange. Patterns, echoes, quantum inconsistencies. Signs that reality is not singular. What if they discovered us? Not as visitors, not as invaders, but as anomalies. A strange branch where mammals replaced reptiles. A timeline where intelligence took a different form. From their perspective, humans would not look impressive. We would look accidental. Here is the disturbing truth. Human dominance is not proof of superiority. It is evidence of timing. We did not defeat dinosaurs. Chance removed them. And in a multiverse, chance does not choose favorites. It chooses outcomes. All of them. Somewhere dinosaurs never became fossils. They became philosophers, engineers, observers of the cosmos. And perhaps as they study the branching structure of reality, they ask a question of their own. Is there a universe where we lost? Maybe they never see us. Maybe the branches remain forever separate. Or maybe the silence we search for in the universe is not empty. It is watching. Because the scariest possibility is not that intelligent dinosaurs exist somewhere else. The scariest possibility is that intelligence evolved before us, differently than us, and without us ever knowing. Dinosaurs may not have failed evolution. They may simply have lost in this version of reality. And if the universe truly branches without end, then Earth was never uniquely ours. It was just our turn.